Attack on Elena Kagan focuses on military recruiting, where she was dean of the Harvard Law School. Most of the charges about Harvard Law recruiting ban are questionable. The university policy was a statement for non-discrimination against gays. But Dean Kagan never denied military recruiters physical space at the law school or access to the student body. Just as important, military veterans at Harvard have high praise for Kagan's role as dean. In February 2009, several Iraq War veterans who graduated from Harvard Law School when she was dean wrote a letter to the Washington Times describing their, quote, appreciation for Ms. Kagan's embrace of veterans on campus. During her time as dean, she has created an environment that is highly supportive of students who have served in the military, end quote. The best answer to these charges comes from the nominee herself. In 2007, while serving as dean of Harvard Law, she addressed cadets at West Point. She said, and I quote, "I'm in awe of your courage and your dedication, especially in these times of great uncertainty and danger. I know how much my security and freedom, and indeed everything else I value, depend on all of you," unquote. Addressing the controversy regarding the military recruiter, she said, and I quote, "I have been grieved in recent years to find your world and mine, the U.S. military and the U.S. law schools, at odds, indeed facing each other in court on one issue. That issue is the military don't ask, don't tell policy. Law schools, including mine, believe that employment opportunities should extend to all their students, regardless of their race or sex or sexual orientation. And I personally believe that the exclusion of gays and lesbians from the military is both unjust and unwise. I wish devoutly that these Americans could join this noblest of all professions and serve their country in the most important of all ways. But I would regret very much if anyone thought that the disagreement between American law schools and the U.S. military extended beyond this single issue. It does not. And I would regret still more if that disagreement created any broader chasm between law schools and the military. It must not. It must not, because of what we, like all Americans, owe to you." End of quote.